Hello students, welcome to online classes presented by Kids C Public School, and today we will do chapter number 7 of class 4 subject English grammar. So here is page number 24. Question is given, fill in the blanks with plural nouns. So first is the plural of van is vans, the plural of man is men. So you have to change the singular noun into plural nouns. The second is the plural of house is houses, the plural of mouse is mice. The plural of story is stories, the plural of story is stories. The plural of thief is thieves, the plural of chief is chiefs. The plural of dish is dishes, the plural of fish is fish. The plural of pear is pears, the plural of deer is deer. The plural of cuckoo is cuckoos, the plural of flamingo is flamingos. The plural of rose is roses, the plural of goose is geese. So students, have you seen here, in many of the plural form there is only s, and in many of these we have added ies, other in other we add es, and some of there is no change, and in some full spelling is also changing. So these were the plural forms, and now come to page number 25. Write the plural of question here. Write the plural of words in the crossword, and you have to write the plural form of these words into this crossword. First is chimney, then write here chimneys. Second is lolly, then lollies. Third is daisy, then daisies. Fourth fly, flies. Fifth holiday, holidays. Enemy, sixth enemy, enemies, here enemies. So this is very easy to do in crossword. Now next question, rewrite these sentences and change the word in color to plural. Make other necessary changes into your sentences. So here you have to change the color plural in singular noun into plural noun, and if there is change according to the sentence, then you have to change it also. There is a woman in the office. So see here, woman is changing into women, and office is changing into offices. So women is plural form, so there will come are. So there are women in the offices. Second, the thief was caught by the policeman. So the thieves were caught by the policemen. So thieves are there, so there will come were. Was is replaced by were. Third, the key is in the lock. The keys are in the lock. In question, the key is singular, and in answer, the keys is plural, so are will come. This is an interesting story about a giant. These are interesting stories about the giants. Fifth, the farmer plowed the field with the help of an ox. The farmers plowed the field with the help of oxen. Sixth, the lady bought the mango from the market. The ladies bought these mangoes from the market. Seventh, we saw kangaroo, zebra, rhino, and flamingo in the zoo. We saw kangaroos, zebra, rhinos, and flamingos in the zoo. Eighth, Ravi put the shell on the shelf. Ravi put the shells on the shelves. So this was the sentences we have changed into plural form. And now change the words into plural form. Finger, fingers. Self, selves. Tomato, tomatoes. Bench, benches. Key, keys. Fairy, fairies. Wish, wishes. Kiss, kisses. Day, days. Life, lives. Monkey, monkeys. Butterfly, butterflies. City, cities. Wolf, wolves. Sheep, sheep. Cargo, cargoes. So student, have you understand how we are converting it into plural form? Now come to page number 26. Write the correct word in the blanks. You have to write the correct word in the blank from the options. Rosie cut the cake into 2 halves. A cat is said to have 9 lives. King Dashratha had 3 wives. So they are plural form, so we are adding s or es or changing according to that. Fe will change into ves. His wife was sitting for him. In autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. The knife was very sharp. Why we are using singular form here? Because was indicating singular noun. The fresh loaf of bread was soft. The farmer herded all the calves into the shed. Here all is indicating plural form. There are elves in the fairy tale. Are is indicating plural. There are many interesting stories in this book. So here are then stories. Now next question is fill in the each blank with the correct form of the word in the brackets. Now here you have to fill the correct form from the bracket in the blanks. First is last week Tina invited a few of her friends. So here is few, then it denote some of friends, then here friends will come to her home. एक ही होम है उसका तो इसलिए होम. Because it was her 10th birthday, she wore a beautiful red skirt and a colorful shirt. तो उसने एक ड्रेस पहनी जो स्कर्ट और शर्ट थी, इसलिए 1 सिंगुलर. टीना एंड हर फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि उसके कुछ फ्रेंड्स आए हुए थे तो इसलिए फ्रेंड्स. प्लेड गेम्स एंड सैंग सॉन्ग्स, तो उन्होंने कुछ गेम्स खेले और सॉन्ग भी गाए. हर फ्रेंड्स वर डिलाइटेड. आफ्टर द गेम एंड सॉन्ग, गेम और सॉन्ग के बाद टीना मदर सर्व देम डिलीशियस स्नैक, तो उनकी मदर ने उनको स्नैक सर्व किया. सेकेंड, ऑन संडे मिस्टर अमित वेंट टू पार्क विद हिज वाइफ, तो वो अपनी वाइफ के साथ गए इसलिए 1 सिंगुलर वाइफ एंड 2 चिल्ड्रन, तो प्लूरल है 2 है इसलिए चिल्ड्रन. द एल्डर चाइल्ड हैड अ पेन इन हिज टूथ, तो एक बड़े चाइल्ड के लिए तो इसलिए सिंगुलर, और एक टूथ में पेन हुआ है तो टूथ. इन द पार्क देयर वर 2 लेडीज़, तो 2 है तो प्लूरल लेडीज़. ईच विद अ चाइल्ड, और दोनों एक एक चाइल्ड के साथ थी. अ डोनेटिंग 1 चाइल्ड. देयर वर फ्यू ओल्ड मैन सिटिंग इन अ कॉर्नर, बहुत सारे मैन, फ्यू हैं कुछ, तो वो प्लूरल को डिनोट कर रहे हैं मैन, तो इसीलिए मैन आया यहाँ पे मैन की जगह. सम मैन वर सिटिंग ऑन बेंचेस, तो वर है डिनोट कर रहा है प्लूरल को बेंचेस. सडनली 2 वीमेन स्क्रीम एंड रन फॉलोड बाय 2 टाइनी माइस, 2 है तो माइस. So student, have you seen how we are converting this singular into plural? So this was the book exercise of noun number, and you have to fill it in your book. Do it carefully. Thank you students.